Hello friends, myself Jadhav Suvarna, Arts, Commerce, Science and Computer Science College, Bhausaheb Nagar. Today I will explain organic chemistry multiple choice questions. My first question, carbocation is the intermediate of rearrangement. There is a four option: A. Pinnacle rearrangement, B. Curtius rearrangement, C. Beckmann rearrangement, D. Beer-Williger rearrangement. The correct option is A. Pinnacle rearrangement, because in pinnacle rearrangement 1,2-diol is react with acid, then the lone pair of oxygen atom which abstract the H plus, then the formation of carbocation is the intermediate. Due to this reason, option A is correct. Second question, isocyanate is a product of dash dash reaction. A. Pinnacle rearrangement, B. Curtius rearrangement, C. Hofmann rearrangement, D. None of these. The correct option is Curtius rearrangement, because in this Curtius rearrangement isocyanate intermediate is formed in this rearrangement. Third question is, diols react with acid to give A. Alcohol, B. Acid, C. Aldehyde and ketone, D. All of these. The correct option is C. Aldehyde and ketone. This is a pinnacle rearrangement. In pinnacle rearrangement, 1,2-diol is react with acid, then the formation of aldehyde and ketone as a product. Due to this reason, C. Aldehyde and ketone option is correct. 4. Amide is a product of which rearrangement? There is a four option. Option A. Beckmann rearrangement, B. Hofmann rearrangement, C. Curtius rearrangement, D. None of these. The correct option is Beckmann rearrangement, because in Beckmann rearrangement oxime is react with hydrogen, then the formation of amide as a product. Fifth question, oxime is a reactant of option A. Pinnacle rearrangement, B. Curtius rearrangement, C. Hofmann rearrangement, D. Beckmann rearrangement. The correct option is Beckmann rearrangement, because in Beckmann rearrangement oxime is the reactant. Sixth question, rate of reaction depends on concentration and nature of base in which reaction? Option A. E1 reaction, B. E2 reaction, C. E1 CB, D. None of these. The correct option is B. E2 reaction. E2, elimination by molecule. In this reaction, the rates it depends on the concentration and nature of base. 7. Saturated compound is converted into unsaturated compound in reaction. Option A. Substitution reaction, B. Elimination reaction, C. Addition reaction, D. Displacement reaction. The correct option is B. Elimination reaction. In elimination reaction, two atom or group of atom in reactant are removed, and then the formation of unsaturated compound or carbon-carbon single bond is converted into carbon-carbon double bond. Then the correct option is B. Elimination reaction. Question 9. Which is a single step mechanism? Option A. E1 reaction, B. E2 reaction, C. E1 CB reaction, D. None of these. correct option is E2. In E2 mechanism, there is only one step is occur. Then the last question, more substituted alkene is obtained as a major product called as. There is a four option. Option first, Hofmann elimination. Option B, Sedzep elimination. Option C, substitution reaction. Option D, addition reaction. The correct option is A, Hofmann elimination reaction, because in Hofmann elimination reaction, in an alkene, the more substituted alkene is obtained as a major product in Hofmann elimination reaction, and Sedzep elimination reaction, the less substituted alkene is obtained as a major product in Sedzep elimination reaction. Then substitution reaction is reactant and reagent are substitute, and then the formation of product is called as substitution reaction. And addition reaction, two atom or group of atom are combined and then the formation of product is called as addition reaction, and the correct option is a Hofmann elimination reaction. The more substituted alkene is obtained as a major product in Hofmann elimination reaction.